which is descriptive statistics. Why it is done? It is done to get or to know the information about the distributions of your variables, of your demographic variables. I'm talking about here. Okay, what are your demographic variables? They are your gender, age. You can say, you can also use your main variable like independent and dependent variable as well. They are mostly recommended, or I would recommend you is to use to conduct descriptive statistics or descriptive analysis on your independent and dependent variables. If your study is, for example, you are studying the demographic features of your respondents, for example, the male, female gender, you are studying which gender is more productive, or you are conducting a study of different age groups, then you will conduct your descriptive statistics on your demographic variables. Otherwise, if you are doing a study with your research model, then you will conduct your descriptive statistics on your independent, your dependent variables, moderator or moderators variable. Okay, so let's move ahead. What does the mean value of descriptive statistics show us? It shows the variability around the mean, how much variable has the variability, and then the standard deviation shows us the deviation each variable has from its normality. So that's it for today. I tried my level best to explain you how you can explain you I tried my level best to explain you the interpretation of data analysis tools of correlation, regression, liability, and descriptive statistics. Okay, I tried my level best to explain you. I hope it's clear to you. I tried my level best to explain you, so I hope it's clear to you. You understand now. You can easily do your interpretation without any trouble, or without any issue, or without taking any help from any person. So if you learned from my video, then do like it. If you haven't learned anything from this video, then do dislike it. There is no issue. If you want more videos like this, then please do comment down below. If you want spss books, then do comment down below. I will provide you, which will also help you a lot. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, then please subscribe it and press on the bell icon to get notification of my